morning. This is I think 8 a.m. and it's really cold, very very cold. I came out to check on my farm and I found out that winter is here. My plants are suffering from cold, and the peppers are beginning to wither, to die off. So I came here to harvest some of the peppers before they goes bad. Whether ripe or ripe, I'm going to take them off their plants right now.
In this place we reign supreme, crystal world of pure bliss. Welcome to our neon dream, where the lights forever gleam. In this place we reign supreme, crystal world, our limitless theme. Snap and share your perfect view, keep the magic fresh and new. Stories told in glitter hues, in our realm where dreams come true. Friends connected through the screen, like moments unseen. Every selfie paints the scene. In crystal world we're so keen. Sparkle in our pixel space, captured smiles in this place. Together in a virtual race, we find joy in every trace. Welcome to our neon dream, where the lights forever gleam. In this place we reign supreme, crystal world, our limitless theme. Welcome to our neon dream, where the lights forever gleam. In this place we reign supreme, crystal world.
Some of them are still flowering, you can see, but I don't think they will survive because of the harsh weather. I got all these guys. Can you see that? Both Tatashi Jamaica pepper. There's no habanero here, just Jamaica peppers and green bell peppers and the paprika peppers. That's all I have here. Yeah. I think with these I'll say bye bye to peppers this year, and we go harder next year. Thank you. Bye guys.